Good morning. My name is Mutiara Nanis Naomi. I am an undergraduate from Universitas 11 Maret Surakarta. I will present my research about role of phosphate fertilizer on growth and yield of hybrid maize Maize L. Introduction. Maize is the second most important food crop after rice. Demand for maize commodities in Indonesia continues to increase from year to year. The need for feed industry is still less by 1.62 million tons. The use of superior varieties play an important role in effort to increase maize production and productivity. Phosphate fertilization can increase maize yield both qualitatively and quantitatively. The use of phosphate fertilizer in the field often does not pay attention to the appropriate dosage. Research method. My research we held on June until September 2019 in the dry land of the Faculty of Agriculture Universitas 11 Maret Jumantono Karanganyar, and the laboratory analysis was carried out at the Ecology and Plant Production Management Laboratory, also Chemical and Soil Fertility Laboratory. And the research designs, the research was using complete random block design with one factor with 4 dose and repeat 6 times. And the dose is 0 kg per hectare P fertilizer, 100 kg per hectare P fertilizer, 150 kg per hectare P fertilizer, and 200 kg per hectare P fertilizer. Data from observation were analysis using analysis of variance based on the t-test of 5% if the real difference followed by Duncan multiple range test GMFT 5%. This is the research from my this is results from my research. The first soil analysis, we know that N total is a medium, P total very high, K total low, C organic medium, organic matter medium, C ratio low, and pH acid. The second is maize growth. The first variable is plant height. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the plant height. P fertilization is generally very low, which is less than 10%. The role of P in the vegetative growth of plant is only around 0.3 until 0.5%. The second is number of leaves. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the number of leaves. Because P fertilizer that are become non-labile. P is not available for plant. And then the stem diameter. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the stem diameter. Nutrient uptake by plant cannot be absorbed all at once for stem diameter growth. The fourth, leaf area index. The application of P fertilizer gives a real difference to the leaf area index. The dose 150 kg per hectare produce the highest average leaf index area. The optimum leaf area provides a broader leaf surface as a place for the photosynthesis. Fresh stopper weight. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the fresh stopper weight. Most of the N is absorbed by plant. for stopper growth. Nitrogen will increase root growth and development so that plant can absorb P more efficiently. Dry stopper weight. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the dry stopper weight. The amount of P nutrient contained in the soil is quite high. And then yield of maize. The first, yield of chopped with hucks. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the weight of chopped with hucks. The excess P will cause decrease in yield. Second is yield of chopped without hucks. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the weight of chopped with hucks. This is presumably because in each treatment nutrient conditions are sufficiently available for plant to support plant growth. Average of job per plant. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the average of job per plant. The elements supporting the development of young root, which in turn will support plant in absorbing nutrients. Number of seeds per plant. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the number of seeds of plant. The numbers of seeds per job increased at certain fertilizer doses. And then the weight of seed per plant. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the weight of seed per plant. Application of fertilizer with large dose will result in concentrated soil solution and will not be able to be absorbed by plant. Weight of seed per hectare. The application of P fertilizer didn't give a real difference to the weight of seed per hectare. Inefficiency in fertilizer application can be caused by acidic soil condition. And the last, weight of 100 seed. The application of P fertilizer gives a real difference to the weight of 100 seed. And the dose 150 kg per hectare produce the highest average from weight of 100 seed. Magnitude of influence on P solubility or increase in plant growth or yield is influenced by several factors including phosphate source. Conclusion from my research. First, the application of 150 kg per hectare of phosphate fertilizer SP36 increased growth variable on the leaf area index. The application of 100 kg per hectare of phosphate fertilizer SP36 increased growth variable on the weight of 100 seeds, but seen from the average dose of 100 kg per hectare has a higher than the control because it increased yield per hectare 5.91% to 2.15 tons per hectare. This is reference that I use for my research. Thank you, everyone.